Hi, this is your World Geography lesson for September 23rd. So what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be reading pages 46 through 50, and you also have a quiz, which you'll be taking via Google Forms. But you are going to be doing some reading in your book, like I said, 46 through 50, and then I would like for you to answer some questions for me. So you can answer these questions as you read, however you want to do it. But I will share this document with you at the beginning of the week so you'll have it well in advance. And what you're going to do is you are going to see the question here. What is the highest point in the region of in the region at 9,232? You can see this is under the Syria and Jordan section. So what you need to do is, as you're reading, just find the answer. In this case, it's Mount Hermon. And so you're going to answer with pictures. I thought that would be a more enjoyable way of reading comprehension. So all you have to do to answer with pictures is you're going to insert your picture below the text, and you're going to go to image, and you're going to search the web, and then you're going to type in Mount Hermon, which I misspelled, and then you're going to pick a picture, and you're going to say insert, and it's going to appear right there. And this is just to help you with your reading comprehension. It's supposed to be a more fun way than just doing a section review. And that's how you're going to do all of these. If you accidentally make a mistake, there is a very fancy, wonderful button over here that all you have to do is say undo, and it goes away. So it's the undo button right there. If you have any questions with this assignment, please let me know, and I will do my best to help you. Thank you. Bye.